Hello everyone, this is Anisha Sharma, intern at Lex Click and Company. I'm also a fourth year student at Modi University. The current video is related to a judgment of the Karnataka High Court. Uh, but before that, a disclaimer for the video. This video does not solicitate or promote any advertisement for the firm or is in accordance with the rules as established by the Bar Council of India. Coming on the video, the court has remarked that Bangalore is known as the Silicon Valley of India. Best video conferencing system should be provided for the state courts. This is held by the Karnataka High Court. The court stated that it is necessary for all courts to subscribe to a licensed version of the Zoom application which is being used by the high courts for virtual meetings or the virtual hearings of the courts. The Karnataka High Court has on Wednesday opined that there is a need to set up a proper hybrid hearing system in district and trial courts across the state owing to the loss of number of working days to the first and second wave of the COVID-19 pandemic. A division bench which consisted of two judges has said that quote unquote, therefore there is a need to provide a proper hybrid hearing system in district and trial courts. Due to the first and second wave, there has been interruptions in the court's hearing. Lockdown has given way for arrears of the court's cases. The entire judicial system has to be in a state of preparedness to face the third wave. All courts in the state, including district and trial courts, should have a proper hybrid video conferencing hearing system in place. This is what was said by the court. The court stated that it is necessary for all courts to subscribe to the licensed version of the Zoom application which is being used by the court for virtual hearing. The bench was promoted to pass this decision after the amicus curiae pointed out the various difficulties faced by the district and trial courts while conducting the video conferencing. A report was earlier called from the Registrar General, who appraised the bench that the application is used by the subordinate courts. However, the said application requires a little more bandwidth unless and until the litigators and advocates participating in the hearing from place with good signal strength and technical glitches are bound to pop up, the court was told. In order to overcome the issue, the registry suggested that it is necessary for courts to subscribe to the licensed version of the Zoom application. Further, the court added that while providing licensed version of Zoom, priorities will have to be fixed. Priority to be given to all the courts of principal district judge, all session courts, civil courts, family courts and commercial courts. This is what was stated by the court. Keeping in mind, the court said, therefore, quote unquote, therefore it will be appropriate if the computer committee of the High Court prepares an exhaustive proposal for providing a proper hybrid video calling system to all courts in the state along with supplying the licensed version of Zoom. As the matter drew to close, the court said that since Bangalore is known as the Silicon Valley of India, the state should have an unparalleled video conferencing system in place. These directions were passed by the court in a suo motu plea PIL registered to address the various legal and technical issues that may arise before the district and trial courts as regarding the virtual hearing. During the hearing, the court observed that in trial courts, some of them have Zoom. They can be uniformly because there is very poor connection provided, and the paid version of Zoom application is better for the hearing of the courts. Thank you.